Flip the unit over and remove 12 6mm screws from the bottom cover. Insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest, and gently slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Peel back the tape, and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Lift up to remove the battery. Flip the unit back over, open it up, and gently insert the opener pick underneath the bezel. Slide along the edges to pop the bezel free. Remove 4 3mm screws from the LCD panel. Lift the panel back, peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the LCD cable from the LCD panel. Plug the LCD cable back into the panel, and replace the LCD panel. Replace 4 3mm screws into the LCD panel. Replace the bezel and push down to snap back into place. Close the unit and flip it back over. Replace the battery and plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap back into place. Replace the 12 6mm screws.